Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to solve the Fiverr account temporarily restricted problem. If you've been locked out of your Fiverr account, don't panic. This is a common issue, and there's a clear process to get it resolved quickly. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Log in using your credentials, making sure the email matches the one linked to your Fiverr account. If you use a different email app, that's perfectly fine too. Just ensure it's the correct account. Once you're in, the first thing you need to do is check your inbox. Fiverr almost always sends an email explaining why your account has been temporarily restricted. Look for a message from Fiverr support. This email usually contains details about the restriction and what steps you need to take next. If you find this email, read it carefully, as it might already include instructions on how to resolve the issue. However, if you don't see any email from Fiverr, you'll need to reach out to them directly. To do this, click on Compose to start drafting a new email. This is your chance to get in touch with Fiverr support and ask for clarification about your account status. In the To field, type support@fiverr.com. This is the official support address where all account-related issues are handled. Make sure you spell it correctly to avoid any delays. Next, move to the subject line. Type something short and direct like "Help with temporarily restricted account." A clear subject line helps support staff quickly understand your issue and prioritize your request accordingly. Now it's time to write the body of your email. Keep it clean and simple. Include your Fiverr username or the email address associated with your account. Briefly explain that your account has been temporarily restricted and that you'd like to understand why and how to resolve it. There's no need to write a long essay. Just be polite and to the point. Once you've finished writing your message, click Send. Your email will now be on its way to Fiverr's support team. Fiverr usually replies within 1 to 3 days. During this time, keep an eye on your inbox, including your spam or junk folder, just in case their response ends up there. Once they get back to you, follow any instructions they provide to restore your account access. And that's it. You've now contacted Fiverr support and started the process to get your account unrestricted. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.